So this video is about my 2005, or my mother's 2005 Trailblazer LT. I was looking online because I've been having a really hard time because I'm changing all the bulbs in her truck to LEDs. But I was having a really hard time finding the light bulb for the vanity mirror, which is the mirror, which is also known as the sun visor, which is the bulb inside the visor. Anyway, getting to the point, I couldn't find it, and I'm looking online, different websites, until I found the forum by tbsowners.com, and it's an old forum, but it's about information that I needed, and it's a list of bulbs here that you can get for your Trailblazer, the model number that you need. But I could not, right here it doesn't show about the vanity light. So down here, some other guys having a conversation, and this guy asked, what about the vanity light, the sun visor, what number? And down here he answered that question. It is right here. The vanity light and visor is a TS14V1CP. So I went online looking, and the first thing, of course, popped up was Amazon. So I looked at the Amazon model, and this wasn't the original spot that I came to, but I still needed more information about what kind of ball it is, and I wanted to buy it in store. And I have to wait, but I'm gonna have to wait to get this bulb because I want all the lights to be LED. Like this, for example. So I wanted more information about it. I started looking even more, and I noticed that the design of the bulb was the same as the one. This is how it looks as the one that came out the mirror in my 05 Trailblazer, my mom's. So I looked down here and I read that even though it came from a Ford Escape, it's pretty much the same thing. And the bulb number right here is a TS14V1CP bulb. This is the same thing. The 6614F is the same thing. So I went over to, where did I go? No. And you also have them right here on Amazon from another supplier. The TS14V1CP, the 6614F. It's all the same thing. The bulb, the measurements to me like to be 29 millimeters from right here. And also here on this link, it doesn't say what the measurement is for the bulb, but anyway, I hope this helped you out. Once again, this is for a 05 Trailblazer. This is the bulb that you need right here for the vanity mirror. And I found a video on YouTube, but I closed it. I didn't have a video for the Trailblazer, but it was a video for Chrysler 300, and it had the same design. And the way you pulled it out was simply from the top notch. But you can find that for yourself. I hope this helped you guys out. And once again, this is the bulb that you need right here. You have on Amazon right here. All right. See you later.